In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Fin to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so the connection is smooth and quick. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of your screen. That's where your profile lives. Usually it shows your avatar or initials. Click your profile to open the menu and then select Settings. This brings up a panel where you can manage how ChatGPT behaves and which tools are available to you. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. This is the hub for adding and managing integrations. Click M Apps, and then choose either Explore Apps or Add More. You might see one label or the other depending on your version, but both take you to the same catalog of available tools. Once the catalog opens, look for the search field near the top. Click into it and type Fin. Give it a moment to load the results. When you see Fin in the list, locate the Connect button on its card or details page and click Connect. That's the key action that starts the linking process. From here, simply follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection. The prompts may ask you to review what Fin can do within ChatGPT and to confirm that you want to proceed. Read the details so you're comfortable with the permissions, then continue. Depending on your setup, you might see a short confirmation step. Just keep clicking through until you reach a success message or see that Fin is marked as connected. That's it. Fin is now connected to ChatGPT. To double check, you can return to the Apps area and look for a connected label next to Fin. You can also head back to your chat, and you should be able to use Fin whenever it's relevant. If Fin doesn't appear in search, make sure you spelled it correctly, try refreshing the apps catalog, and ensure your ChatGPT interface is up to date. Availability can vary by region or account type, so if it's still not showing after a refresh, it may not be offered in your area yet. Also, if you have multiple workspaces or profiles, confirm you're in the right one. With those tips in mind, the process is straightforward. Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore or Add More, search Fin, click Connect, and follow the on-screen instructions. You're all set to make the most of Fin inside ChatGPT.